In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel order on Webull. If you've ever placed an order and then changed your mind, or maybe your strategy shifted as the market moved, knowing how to cancel quickly and confidently is essential. I'll walk you through the exact flow, explain what each screen means, and share a few tips so you know what to expect along the way. First, open Webull. You can do this on the mobile app or desktop, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen so you can easily navigate to the right place. Next, go to paper trading. Paper trading is Webull's simulated environment that lets you practice without risking real money. It's perfect for learning order management and getting comfortable with the interface. Head into the paper trading section so you can view and manage your simulated orders. Once you're in paper trading, click Orders or Open Orders. Depending on your layout, this tab might be labeled slightly differently, but the idea is the same. You want to see a list of orders you've placed. This is where you'll be able to check the status of each one. Now, find the order that says Working or Open. Only orders that are still working, meaning they have not fully filled, can be canceled. If an order shows Filled, it's completed and can't be canceled. If it shows partially filled, you may still be able to cancel the remaining unfilled portion. Look carefully at the status so you're selecting the right order. Click the order. This opens the order details, where you can confirm you've got the correct symbol, quantity, price type, and current status. Taking a moment here helps you avoid canceling the wrong thing, especially if you have multiple orders active. Finally, click Cancel Order. This sends a cancellation request for that working order. In most cases, the status will update to canceled once the system processes it. If the market is moving fast, there's a chance the order could fill before the cancel goes through, so always double-check the status after you submit the cancel. In paper trading, the update should be quick and straightforward. That's the full process. Open Webull, go to paper trading, check orders or open orders. Find a working or open order, open it, and click Cancel Order. Practice this a few times in paper trading so it becomes second nature, and you'll be ready to manage orders confidently when it counts.